Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into the Salesforce Inspector data import feature. As you know, Salesforce Inspector is a powerful tool that enhances your Salesforce experience. And one of its standout feature is the data import functionality. Let's start by navigating to data import section. Here you can seamlessly bring in data to your Salesforce environment with just a few clicks. Data import feature is designed to simplify the process of importing records in your Salesforce org by saving you time and efforts. Before we jump into data process, it's crucial to ensure that your data is properly formatted. Salesforce Inspector supports various types, including CSV and Excel format. So I have prepared the data, right? So you can see we have a name, industry, annual revenue, data type, phone, and website. And I have total 20 records to import into. So let me just go back to Salesforce, and here we have a Salesforce Inspector extension. So you can see we have the data import tab here. So I'm just going to open this in new tab in the Chrome. Okay, and here we can see we have action, like we have a different action, right? Insert, update, upsert, and delete. Here you can select the object you want to insert. Okay, and then we have the format. Either you can choose Excel or CSV format, and you can just paste the data here. Okay, this is the best size that you can choose. And we have the thread, right? So thread is nothing but the number of batches to execute concurrently. Okay, so you should keep this number low so that your record insert is not going to fail due to the congestion. Okay, so let me just copy the data I have here in the Excel format. So I'm just going to copy this table and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. All right. So now we can see the preview of this table. And so we have the name, industry, annual revenue, type, phone, and website. Here you can map the field. Okay. So you can map a column with account fields. Okay. So if you want to map with something else, then you can choose it here. Okay. Now I think we have everything set up. Let's click on import. Okay, so let's click again, and then you can see we have the result now. So we can see the status succeeded. So all these 20 records have been inserted in my Salesforce org. Okay, so here we have the option to copy this result into Excel format or CSV format. You just need to click here and you can just paste it in your Excel application. Okay. Now let me just see whether this record is actually created or not in Salesforce. So I'm going to open this record and verify it. So we can see the tech dynamics created. This was the first record. And there you have it. Salesforce Inspector data import feature simplifies the entire process from preparing data to previewing the result. It's a game changer for anyone working with Salesforce. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, if you have any question or topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy importing with Salesforce Inspector.